Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can see another profile of your friends or profile of the leaderboard in your server in EA Sport FC Mobile 24. So I made this video for new player or for the beginner. Previously this game is FIFA Mobile, but right now it's EA Sport FC Mobile 24. So let's get started by tapping your profile tab. So this is your profile page. You can see the other profile, for example your friends. This is your friends. Tap your friends profile, tap it, and this is, you can see active lineup of your friends. This one, and his head-to-head profile versus attack profile, and many more. And also you can see other profile or the leader of leaderboard. Just go to play and choose whatever event, for example manager mode, a feature, and this one, see full leaderboard, tap it. And this one, I want to view the top of or the leader of my leaderboards, tap view. And this one, he is a world class in attack profile, head to head, and league profile. You can see also his history, match history, and also active lineup. Maybe you can copying his lineup or learn about his lineup here. So thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. Also click that button below. Enjoy the game.